Hello students, welcome back. So students, today we will begin with a very new story from my English literature book which is The Ugly Duckling, written by Hans Christian Andersen. So students, do you know what does ugly mean? It means someone who is not good looking. So from the very title of the story, we can guess that it is a story about a duckling. Duckling means a baby duck. So, who was not at all good looking. But students, there is no one ugly in this world. Why Because we are all God's creation and God has created us in His own way, and hence we are all beautiful. So students, you know what? We should never call anyone ugly or make fun of their looks. Okay? So now let's begin the story. Let's see what happens to the little duck. So let's begin. One bright spring morning, a mother duck was pleased that her eggs had begun to hatch. So it was one bright morning. A mother duck saw that her eggs began to hatch and she was very pleased. Pleased means happy. So she was very happy to see that the eggs which she had laid had broken and from there small chicks are coming out. Cheep cheep chirp the chicks. So what happened? The small chicks which came out of the eggs began to chirp. I guess you all know what does chirping means. Do you remember? It means to make short, sharp sound. So here, the little chicks were making that kind of noise. Okay? So now, Mother Duck was very proud of her fluffy ducklings. But one of them looked different from the others. So what happened? The Mother Duck was very happy. She was very happy and proud of her soft, hairy little ducklings. But among all those cute little ducklings, there was another duckling which looked very different from the others. It did not look like the beautiful ones, okay? So let's read again. Quack quack, how can that duckling be one of mine? She wondered. He is so big and ugly. So what happened? When the mother duck looked at all the little ducklings, she found that there was one duckling which looked very different from others. So she started to think that how can it be her chick? Why? Because it was very big and at the same time ugly. Okay? So she was wondering that how could it be her chick? Okay, so let's read again. All the other chicks were mean and teased Sammy, the ugly duckling. So now, what happened? When all the chicks became big, they started to tease Sammy, okay, the ugly duckling. So tease means what? Tease means making fun of someone, okay. So what was the name of the duckling? His name was Sammy, okay. So let's read again. They didn't want to play with him. Poor Sammy was very sad. So what happened now? As Sammy was ugly, no one wanted to become friends with him and no one even wanted to play with him. So when Sammy saw that no one was playing with him, he felt very sad. Okay? So let's read again. One day he packed his bags and left home to look for someone to be his friend. Soon he reached a pond where some other ducks were playing. So what happened? As everyone was making fun of him, teasing him, refused to be his friends or play with him, he felt very sad and one day he left his home to search for someone who would become his friend. So after going for a while, he reached near a pond where he saw some ducks playing in the pond. Okay. So let's read again. But they didn't want to be his friends either. Poor Sammy was very unhappy and waddled away. He was so sad that he hid himself by the river bank all through the summer. So what happened? So now when he wanted to be friends with them, they also refused. They also said no. So again he was hurt. He again feels sad thinking that no one was willing to be his friend just because he was ugly. So what did he do? He waddled away, means walked away. So he walked away and went near a river bank and hid himself all through the summer. So let's read again. One day he watched some beautiful swans fly past him. I wish I were as magnificent as a swan, he sighed. So what happened? One day he saw some beautiful swans flying near him, and he wished that perhaps he were also as magnificent, as beautiful as a swan. Okay, sighed means giving a long breath, giving out a long breath. So let's read again. That winter it began to snow. Sammy was cold and all alone. Soon a kind farmer found him and decided to take him home and look after him. So what happened? During the winter it began to snow and Sammy was suffering from cold as he was alone. So then what happened? A kind farmer found Sammy and thought of taking him home and look after him. So let's read again. At last I have found a friend, smiled Sammy. So what happened? Sammy smiled and said that perhaps I have got a friend at last. Next. When spring came, the farmer took Sammy back to the river. He looked at his reflection in the lake, and lo and behold, what did he see? I am not an ugly duckling anymore. I am a beautiful swan, he cheered. Sammy had never been so happy in his life. So what happened? Again, when the spring season came, one day the farmer took Sammy to the river. So now what did Sammy see? Sammy saw that he is no more an ugly duckling. He has become a beautiful swan. So now he cheered in happiness. He shouted in joy, saying that I am not an ugly duckling anymore. I am a beautiful swan. So it was for the very first time in his life that he became very happy. Okay, so students, what did you understand from the story? We understood that each and everyone is beautiful in their own way, and we should never make fun of anyone or call them ugly. Okay, so students, this was all about the story. Hope you all have understood it and enjoyed it. Thank you.